So my name's Steve Matheson. I'm a lead technician for the Campus AV team at Cardiff University. I've been in post for near 10 years now, and we look after all the teaching and learning spaces across campus. We've got two main campuses. We've got our Caerdydd campus based in the centre of Cardiff, where our main building is located. We've got the University Hospital of Wales campus, which we're at the moment, where we run all the healthcare courses. I think we tried to keep up to date as much as we can. I think certainly over the last 5 years, I mean, technology now moves at such a fast pace and changing, you know, and devices are changing. I mean, you're getting more modern laptops now, only really come with USB-C connectivity. You know, we've got spaces with HDMI connectivity, you know, so it's end users can rock up and say, oh, you know, how do I plug in? You know, how do I connect? I think certainly post-COVID, it's been availability of equipment has been one of the biggest challenges. We found lead times from certain manufacturers had been seriously affected. You know, so where we were kind of used pre-COVID ordering a certain device or a certain type of switcher, and you know, expecting it to be delivered within a matter of weeks, that changed to a matter of months. I mean, from some manufacturers, we were even given lead times of 13 months. You know, just for certain bits of kit. This is the School of Healthcare. This is the Cochrane building. So we've got 14 teaching spaces located on the ground floor area where they run healthcare courses. The main sort of connectivity we use in these spaces is a lectern PC, a visiting laptop, and end users were also asking if it would be possible for them to present from the desk or the meeting room table, and so we needed a switcher that was capable of taking all 3 inputs and outputting them with volume control. So we chose the SY-MFS51, which has been performing brilliantly and fitted the application perfectly. Yeah, we really like the SY products, because mainly for their easeability of use. They're simple to program, and we like the on-screen menu functions as well, which make it really easy for us just for changing basic settings. You know, we're often met with sort of time restraints when we you know, if we get issues in spaces and we need to go to visit and adjust anything, and you don't really get very long in a room. So being able just to come in and fire up an on-screen menu, make any adjustments, and you know, quickly, it's ideal for us.